In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you replace the battery in your Apple AirTag. As you can tell, this is an older one. I've had it for just about a year now, and I need to replace it with a CR2032. So make sure you buy one of those kind of batteries. But the easy way to do it is you press down like this on the both sides, and you're going to go counterclockwise. So that way, like that. All right, take it and turn it. And as you see, it moved. And then you pop it out like that. Take out this battery here. Make sure the positive side is up. So put the new battery in like that. And then take this. Make sure the tabs are in there correctly. It makes that little sound. And then that's a little bit tough like that. There we go. Okay, and the battery is now changed in your Apple AirTag.